we're back. Reload. You might want to scoot back. That's going to hurt. You're going to catch percussion.
Yeah.
And can I put a bag underneath it?
Eric,
Yeah.
you got that on?
Yeah, that's on. Here you go.
Tell them what you're getting ready to shoot, Chuck.
We're going to shoot my SNAR 7.62 by 5.1 assault rifle with a Nikon 3x9 by 50 scope.
And 1 pound of Tannerite.
And 1 pound of Tannerite. Taped up to the knife. This is my first time. Oh yeah, that's much better. And we're live. Just to the right of it.
Shoot that orange part, Chuck.
I'm trying. Just high. Get the water jug. Again. Fellas, there's holes in that box.
You're scaring it real good.
You can go look at it? I mean, there's holes in the box. I can see them in the scope. Yeah, it doesn't fill up the entire box. Well, we'll go look at it if you want to.
You think it's hitting the bottom? You think it's in the bottom of the box?
You can look through the scope and see a hole in the orange. We'll shoot a little bit lower. It's in the box. It's got to be.